Life at SIDTM was an experience in motion. Early mornings packed with energy and late nights buzzing with ideas. Every moment in between shaping who I became. From case competitions to cultural fests, leadership roles in student councils to learning from global guest speakers, there was never a dull day. SIDTM gives you as much outside the classroom as inside. You're encouraged to lead, participate, and step up, no matter your background. Every classroom interaction was diverse, driven, and collaborative. We learned as much from each other as from the curriculum. With global case studies, peer projects, and faculty who value real dialogue, SIDTM fosters a space where learning becomes a lifestyle. That confidence and exposure translated into interviews, group discussions, and ultimately job offers. It's not just what I studied, it's how I was trained to think, speak, and show up that made all the difference. At SIDTM, I didn't just earn a degree. I discovered a version of myself that's ready for the world. This wasn't just an MBA, it was my transformation journey.